Hello everybody, getting ready to do 2.1 part 2 homework today for 6th grade math. And you got 101 points here on your homework sheet. Have that out in front of you now. Students, put your name, date, period here on your paper, your phone, your tablet, your PC, your Chromebook, your iPad. And then page 2 here, write the sum of the numbers as a product of their GCF, and then there's some, do basically the same thing here for 6, 7, and 8. And you got 9 points here on page 2. Page 3, describe how to find a GCF of two numbers. So describe that here. If you need more room, put that on your answer sheet, attach it to your homework, send it in with your homework PDF. And then down here you got a word problem. What does it say? What are the possible numbers of shells Carlos will use for this situation here? 12 points on page 3. Page 4, you got a word problem here. How many band members will be in each column? And down here, how many coaches and players will be in each of these groups? So you got 16 points here on page 4. And then page 5 up here for number 22, how many of each type of appetizer will be on each of these plates from this word problem up here. And then 23 through 30, write the sum of the numbers as a product of their GCF and another sum for each one of these. So that's going to be a cool thing. And you got 32 points here on page 5. And then page 6, you got vocabulary up here. Explain why the greatest common factor of two numbers is sometimes 1. And 33, persevere. So explain how to find the greatest common factor of three numbers. Explain how to do that. And you got 16 points here on page 6. Page 7, critique reasoning. Zhao's teacher asked him to rewrite the sum 60 plus 90 as a product of the GCF of the two numbers and a sum. Zhao wrote 3 times 20 plus 30. What mistake did Zhao make? How should he have written the sum? And that it will be worth 8 points to you down here. Full sentences, students. 8 points on page 7. And that's your homework for today. Animated PowerPoint math video at alo.com for questions or course materials. Thank you very much.